Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. So how can you change your targeted market of places, targeted market of what services you offer to free up more time for yourself, to grow your company, and to improve the scalability of what jobs you have? So here's the thing, years ago, and I've shared this story, I'll quickly share it here. Tony and I started to believe that, we thought any sale was a good sale. All sales are created equal. So we had all kinds of weird outlying things that we ended up doing. We would drive out to a place 45 minutes away, and we'd have to have 2 or 3 cars meeting there with all of these people to help us clean, because that company wanted to unlock the doors, turn off the alarm, and when we're done, come back, let us out, and then lock it back up. So we had no flexibility. And it was once a week. And then I remember we mowed a lawn for a little building that we cleaned, and we took the trash out to the front curb. There's nothing wrong with that, mind you. And there was no work that was like beneath us. It wasn't that. Then there was another place that we cleaned where I or Tony, we would meet the people after a wedding. It was a wedding reception hall, and we would get them down to this reception hall, and we turn on the pop machine and the lights, and they'd have their party. That was another thing we were doing, and we would have to meet at weird hours to let these folks in for their wedding reception. Well, there's all kinds of examples like this. We used to work on a laundry room floor factory where there was no office cleaning involved. It was tons of work from lots of us doing it all weekend long. So we really didn't have much time to grow the rest of our company because we were doing this very unusual, only weekend job. Again, all of this work was fine. But to say that any sale is the same as any other sale is, now we learned that's crazy. You have to better target market the places you'll clean, who you'll clean, what services you offer. When you think about the best companies you know, think about the best cleaning companies you know. They do what? Well, they control who they offer their services to, how big the facility needs to be, how frequent the cleaning needs to be, what they're going to offer, let's say janitorial services, carpet, tile, windows. They have certain factors, what they're going to require to take it on. Why? Because they're not going to take a once a week account on where someone needs to let them into the job, in and out, and it's very small and very infrequent. Right, they wouldn't do that. We should have been thinking that. Nothing wrong with the work, but if we're trying to build a scalable company, we needed to better control our marketing of our market of what we're willing to go after. So that's a big thing. And if you do that, well, then you can have cleaners and accounts taking care of the jobs, and you can more easily add more and more of them. We weren't able to add more jobs because we couldn't get enough people, and we couldn't do enough of the work ourselves. We were stuck, and we needed to get unstuck, and we eventually did. So try not to make the mistake that we did. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.